December. I know I'm a little early, but I'm really excited. We are having a New Year's quilt retreat. That's it, for real. In your jammies, at home, virtually. It's true, we're doing it. So, what does that mean for you? We're making a 64 by 64 quilt. You're going to get the quilt top, the backing, the binding for $125. The quilt will be pre-cut. So it's coming to your house in the mail, 100% cut for you on a laser, ready to sew. We're going to also send you a list of some other items you may want to get together because we're going to have several pop-ups through the weekend if you want to join us. Now, these items, you don't have to join us on these, but they're just going to be some projects that you might want to participate in over the weekend during some downtime if you want to. If not, you can sew on other projects in between clues or whatever you want to do. So these other projects don't cost anything other than what you might have to gather, from the dollar store if you don't have any already at your house. But this is going to be so much fun. I know I don't go out New Year's Eve ever anyway, but some of you do, and you may not be able to go out this year again because of COVID. So instead of being down in the dumps, we'd love to have you join us for our quilt retreat this New Year's Eve. So bring a friend and come join us. And if you're new, we'd love to be your friend. So come on in and join us at Farrell's Country Stitchin'. That's Stitchin' without a G. Farrell's, Farrells, Country, Stitchin' without a G.com. And you can find the quilt retreat. Just type in the search mystery and it'll pop up on your screen. You can go ahead and order and we'll get that shipped out to you in the mail. And New Year's Eve, we will start New Year's Eve day at 9 a.m. our quilt retreat. You'll get all the details via email, and it's going to be a ton of fun. I look forward to meeting you this New Year's Eve at Farrell's Country Stitchin'. Thank you. Have a great day.